Direct response or direct to consumer marketing is very useful for solo entrepreneurs or small business owners. They're useful for getting sales and profits at a very affordable price. For example, you can spend as little as 5, 10, $20 per day for your campaign, and you're basically targeting your best prospects, the ones that are most likely to buy or to sign up. So you can offer them a freebie if you're trying to get leads, or you can sell something so you can generate sales and profits. This is in contrast to mass marketing for brand awareness. For example, if you're watching television and you see advertising come up, that advertising is not targeting anybody in particular. It's just basically a car company or a shoe company like Nike or Shopify, Amazon. They're just trying to make you aware that their business exists and they have products and services. Okay. So it can get pretty expensive, like millions of dollars for companies that are targeting, for example, the whole country or the whole city. But even if you're paying for, let's say, cable television and you're limiting yourself to just a small area, that can still be pretty expensive, maybe thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. If you want to learn more about maximizing your sales and profits, please watch the next video. Thank you for watching.